Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here to show you a really exciting product that New Day Savings sent me to try and to review. I think it's one of my favorite things that I've ever received to review. First of all, it's Onedaysaving.com. That's what their store is called. So I will link that down below. And then they gave me a discount code for you guys. So if you would please use that if you're ordering. This piece that I'm going to be working on was very reasonable. I can't remember what the price was, but I was like, that's amazing. So yeah, it comes wrapped up nicely. My address is there. It comes wrapped very nicely, very securely. First in this big envelope, and then it comes in this bubble wrap. And this is a diamond painting. It is of a it's like vases of flowers. I've kind of started already because I wanted to show you how it looks when you start it. I've done a few little things here. This is the 60 by 40 centimeters. And I just wanted to show you these letters and numbers. They do letters and numbers. They are so clear and so nice to see. Like their numbers and letters are black and white, so that makes a difference. See here, the number is black, like the number 1 is black, and then number 2 is brown. And I just really like that. So they have what number it is, the symbol, and the color number. So it's really easy not to get mixed up. And it's very sticky. It's very sticky. It sticks very well. And the letters are so nice and big on here. I just love that. And I picked the round drills. That's what they're called. And then they sent my little drills in this bag with a little tray to store them in, the ones you're working on. A little pickup pen. And then I have the ones I've been using, I stored in here. And what I do is I just store them in the little bags that they come in. I cut a little corner open like this. And then I just put a little, you could put a little paper clip, or I have a little clothespin here, and just stack them in here. But this is the ones that I haven't cut apart yet. And see, these are all the same colors. It shows you the color. It shows you the number, like that's 16, and then there's the color number. So it's very, very clear on what you're supposed to do. And they come like this, and they come in an order. Like here, I'll show you. So this is like number 3, 4. There's 2 of number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then it goes up to 14 here. And then I have different numbers over there that I've been using, but I just store the ones that I'm not using. I store in the bag that they provided for me. And I just wrap them up like this. And yeah, I store them in here. And I have my little thing where I can store everything in when I'm not using it. But it's very easy to use. I don't think this is going to take very long with the round drills. I did one with squares from a different company. I honestly did not enjoy it. It was too hard to do it with the squares, so I did it with the round ones this time. And I just love what it says here. It says, God says you are. Now, I will be showing you what it says on here. Once I'm done, I'll do a follow-up to show you what it says, but it is beautiful. And here you can see what it's supposed to look like. And I just love flowers, and this is so springy to me. It's going to be beautiful hanging in my kitchen or wherever I decide to put it. So, yeah, check out the links down below. And, yeah, use my link, my discount code, and you will not be disappointed. I wanted to try it before I showed you. So here you can see that I've done some. And, you know, I'm putting my finger over it, and they're not moving. They're, you know, the little drills are staying on. They're shiny and just, oh, I love this. This is beautiful. So thank you for joining me. And be on the lookout for when I come and review this again. It may not be done completely but the next time I show you, but it will be well on its way. So, yeah, I will come back and show you what I've done so far. Talk to you later. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!